So I know I always talk about you being the best version of yourself, but there's a lot of extra factors that come into that we don't talk about. For example, the people around you. In fact, you're usually the best version of the people that are around you. They say you tend to be the average of the 5 people you hang around the most with, and even though a lot of us are in lockdown, it doesn't feel like we have 5 people around us, but even from when you were hanging with people, you would have taken characteristics, attitudes, behaviors from them and implemented it into your own life subconsciously. So you won't necessarily recognize that you've done it. But the people around you make a big difference as to how you perceive life, how you aim for your outcomes, how you even just see other people and the world around you. So if your life isn't fully on track, it might be worth checking your circle. Seeing the voices who are talking into your life, seeing who's influencing your decisions, seeing who even you're going to for approval with everything that you're after in your own life. Make sure that the people around you actually make you the best version of you.